Hey guys, it's Christopher Maselli from Writing Momentum, where we put writers on the fast track to success. And one of my favorite themes right now is Michael Hyatt's GetNoticed theme for WordPress. And this theme is great for authors and writers. And there's been some questions as to how do you put a widget on your homepage that has About Me on it, just like Michael Hyatt has on his. And some people have asked too, how do you put an image in that widget? So I'm going to show you how to create that widget and also how to put an image right inside it. So to do that, let's go to your WordPress backend, and here in the dashboard you're going to scroll down. The first thing we want to do is upload our image that we want for that widget. So you're going to go to Media, Add New. When you do that, it brings up this screen where you can drag and drop a file. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab my picture that I have and I'm going to drop it right onto there, and notice it just takes a few seconds to upload, and then I click Edit. Now when you click Edit, it opens up a new tab, right? And that's important to realize. You're not in your old tab anymore, which was over here. You're in your new tab. So I'm just going to leave this alone for a minute, and I'm going to jump back to the first tab, okay? And in this tab, I'm going to start creating the widget. So to create the widget, you go to GetNoticed, and you go to Theme Customizer. And then in here, it takes just a second to load in, because it's loading in all your images and widgets and all this good stuff. And then you're going to go down here to Widget Sidebar. Okay, these are the widgets that appear on your sidebar right here on the side of your page. So you click on Widget Sidebar, you'll see I've got a whole bunch. Here's my subscription form, it shows up over here. Below that is my reach counter, it shows up down here, and so on and so forth on down the page. Well, I'm going to add a new widget. This one is the Advanced Text widget. It's the first one on your list of widgets. There's another one just called a text widget down here, but you don't want that one. You want the Advanced Text widget, because this one lets you do read more and has some other functions that allows you to have. So it's kind of a cool one for that. So then you're just going to type in here about Chris or about you and put your name in there. And then this is where you have to put in a little bit of HTML. So you want to type this exactly like it is. Open bracket A href equals quote, and then you want to come up to your about, or if you know what your about page is, and you're going to copy that link address. Okay, I'm using Chrome. It might read a little bit different in whatever browser you're using, if you're using Internet Explorer or Safari or Firefox or something, but it's something like that. Copy link address, or if you just know it by heart, you can type it in there, and then you're going to paste that. Control V is paste, and it puts it right in there. Then you put another quote, and then bracket. Then this is where we're going to put our image in. So you put another bracket, IMG for image, SRC for source, equals quote, and then we're going to put in another URL here. The URL we're going to put in is the one that's in that second tab we opened. So jump back to the second tab, and you see this over here, this where it says file URL. You're going to want to click in there, double click in there, and copy that. So you can either right click on your mouse and choose copy, or you can hit Control C and copy it. Then jump back to the first tab, and you're going to paste that in there. Control V is paste, or you can right click and choose paste, either one. And then you're going to, after that, you're going to put another quote. You're going to put slash bracket, okay, that closes out the image, and then bracket slash a bracket, that closes out the link. So just for all of you who want to get technical about it, the href here, this one is the link where the image is going to go to, and then this here is the actual image itself. So that may be more than you want to know. If it is, that's fine, but those are the two URLs you need in there. And then you can just go ahead and type something in. So I'm going to say, I'm going to actually copy this from another screen that I have. Alright, so this is just some text. You can write whatever you want in there. I put in, I'm the author of the best-selling series for children, including the Commander Kelly and the Super Kids Adventures and the Amazing Laptop Adventures. I'm also a prolific writer, etc., etc. Notice I put in these little HTML tags, these bracket EM. That stands for emphasis. That means I want you to italicize that and italicize that. Okay, so that's all that is. If you put, instead of EM, if you put strong and bracket strong, that'll bold that text instead. Okay, so I'm not going to do that, though. I'm going to do the emphasis. And then I'm going to tell it to automatically add paragraphs, and then more URL. This is going to be the same URL that you have right up here, okay? So I'm going to copy that again and paste that down there. And then I'm going to say more about me, okay? And that is it. Okay, and I do want to tell it to do a simple display. Oh, no, I don't think I do want that. I do want to center the... No, I don't want to do that either. So if you want to center the widget contents, click that. If you want a simple display that's no border or anything, you can do that. I don't want to do any of that. And that's it. I'm done. So then I go over and I hit save and publish. Oh, one more thing. I did want to move this up. So I'm going to grab this and I'm going to drag it right up here because I want this to actually be just under that reach count. Well, no, I'm going to put it here under my social list. About 5 widgets down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm going to save that. Okay. Now let's go look at the page. So I'm going to hit close. And then I'm going to hit visit site. And here's my home page. Remember there were, what, 4 widgets? Here's the newsletter widget, subscriber widget, Facebook widget, social widget, and then look at this. Here is the About Me widget that we created. There's the title, there's the image that's linked, there's the text, see the italics, and there's the More About Me. And then of course if you click the picture or the More About Me, boom, it takes you right to that About Me page. Pretty cool, huh?